Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Turbo 3 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the display and brightness section. Now scroll down and find the reading mode. Let's tap on it and tap on the switcher to turn it on. So basically the reading mode is the name of the night light or a comfort mode in this specific device. Let me maybe quickly change the mode to the light mode, so you will be able to see the changes. So after turning on the reading mode and just by tapping on the switcher, you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, especially if we will set it to the classic option. Basically it is in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So the cycle option is the automatic option, so if you want to, you can of course use it. It is based on the sunset and sunrises. However, if you'd like to customize it, I highly recommend to simply switch to the classic one. We can tap on this arrow icon here and we can change the color temperature. Right now we've got this neutral one. By going to the left we can make it cooler so it is not really that visible, and by going to the right warmer. What's more, here we've got the preview picture on which we can check how the changes will affect the colors which are displayed on your device. Here we've got also the texture option, and I'm not really sure if you will be able to see it. I will set it on the highest, on the coolest setting. Basically, the texture option applies the texture to the background, which looks like the paper. So by going to the right you can make it much sharper, and by going to the left you can turn it off completely. So it is totally up to you whether you want to use this option or not. Here we've got the colors, so you can choose full colors, light colors which are a little bit washed out, and black and white, so the monochromatic option. You can of course restore the defaults here too. So this is the customization of this classic option. You can also schedule that feature just by tapping on the switcher. You've got two different options. So the custom period, where you can freely choose the start and the end time. Just tap on it and choose the start and the end time. Your device will of course apply the reading mode accordingly, or you can set the good night's read, which means that your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based and it will automatically turn on the reading mode. So that was the customization of this mode. That's okay. That was the customization. Of course, you can have much faster access to this option. Simply unroll the top bar, and here we have to find the eye comfort mode, which is not really here. So let me tap on edit, and here we have to find the reading mode, which is right here. So let's tap on this plus icon. It will be immediately applied to this section. So tap on the tick icon to confirm, and now we can freely tap on this option to turn it on and off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.